Hi everyone, so today I'm testing out the Catrice The Glitterizer Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette, and this is the look I came up with. So please keep on watching for the full look. So these two shades are supposed to be the base coat, and these four the glitter shades, and then the top coat. So I'm just first gonna give you some swatches of the shades. They look really good when you swatch them. They look very pigmented, so hopefully it turns up to be good. I'm starting my eye look with the base using my concealer, just the usual, and then I'm using the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette and the BH Cosmetics Smokey Eyes palette as well. I'm using the lightest purple shade from the Glitterizer palette for this particular eye look. And for the eyeliner, I'm using the Moondancer matte lipstick from Colourpop and an angled liner brush. As you can see, there's a lot of fallout on my face, so I'm just using a makeup wipe to wipe that off. I'm back with my full face done, the usual, so I did not show that, but there was glitter all over my face. And for the lower lid, I'm using the glitter shade from the Glitterizer and the darker shade I used from the BH Smoke palette previously. The inner corner and the brow highlight, I'm using the top coat from the Glitterizer. Actually, this is my favorite shade from this palette. It didn't look very nice on the palette, to be honest, but when you put it on, it looks very beautiful. And now I'm bringing down the upper liner down to my inner corner and pulling it back towards the lower lash line, just a little bit, not all the way. And I got it on my nose. Yeah, perfect. the lipstick off and use the use whatever concealer is left on the sponge to just correct that area. For the lipstick, I'm using the Colourpop WYD, or what are you doing? And this is the look completed with the palette. I do like the palette a lot. The shades are beautiful, but like you can see, there is a lot of fallout, like especially the glitter everywhere. So next time I think I would use a glitter glue so it stays in place. But other than that, it is a beautiful palette. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.